What's up, brother? Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Damn, man, that looks great. Yup. With the red. Shit. Little yeller. Dude, that looks awesome.
I like the yellow.
Yeah, dude. Got the nice Pro Taper bars. Yes. Sure. What's up, man?
What's up?
What's going on?
How we doing?
Doing well. I see you're busy. Oh yeah. Building some race cars. Oh yeah. From scratch, right? This is from scratch. Damn. Built this from scratch. Woo. That's crazy. Follow him on Instagram. You already know. What's going on with this thing? Exhaust, all right. Very nice. Yes. Oh, and hey now. What do we got here? Surely. Oh yeah. Oh, we got power? Got some power? Oh yeah. Is that a Lambo, man? Is that a Lambo, dude?
Yeah, dude.
Damn. It's an Aventador. Oh, no. Oh.
What the fuck?
Oh.
What kind of horse shit?
Oh, Greg with the wiring. Stick to wrapping, bro.
Yeah, seriously.
Maybe you need one of these for the...
That's why this was $15.
Ooh.
Why is that?
Oh, a little funky. Yeah, she will give her a little...
piece of shit,
give her a
dude.
little tab.
What a piece of shit. Oh my god.
That's brutal. On a quick side note, though, if you guys...
You guys want to grab?
Yeah, I mean, first of all... on a side note though, for real, if you guys, like, Greg just printed these out for me, like, within minutes. So if you guys need any, like, custom decal, any sticker, hit him up. Information in the description. Instagram will probably be the easiest way to hit him up. And then obviously we got our KG stickers here. If you guys want one, link in the description. Actually, I'll show you guys. Ready? Woo! Tell me that's not sick. Yep. Grab one. Free worldwide shipping. Link below. I think I hear a wild Subaru approaching. What's up, guys? We're back at the shop. As you guys saw, oh yeah, he's here. As you guys saw, we stopped by at Greg's place, got some stickers. If you guys didn't check those out, well, here's a better look at them. Go ahead and grab one, link in the description. It would mean a lot. Oh yeah. What are you doing today there, bud? First off, do you see anything different here? Woo! We're always in focus now.
How far?
Oh, I can. You're in. You're in. I got you still.
So we're detailing the engine bay. I'm also going to take off the intercooler, clean out like the throttle body and everything, and then just do like a little dress up tonight.
Oh sure. Woo! My ass is on fire. No, but okay. All right. Little dress up, little clean up.
Yes.
Sure.
And, yes. Then, yeah.
Sure.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I was actually, you interrupted me as you came.
Sorry.
I was telling them. So, well, actually, first off, I was showing you guys the new stickers. Check these puppies out. Got a couple of stickers. Oh,
Let me see.
we're handing them out. We're handing them out. We're handing them out.
Yep.
Disclaimer though, gentlemen, and to you guys, when you guys are peeling your stickers off, they're a little sketchy. I think when we got them cut, they may have cut them a little bit too deep. So you got to get your nail under there and peel her back. It's a little tricky, but don't get pissed off if you peel up the backing with it. You gotta get in between. So next batch of stickers, we'll have that sorted out for you guys. But we'd love the support there. And then just while we're here, do you guys have any idea what these are for? Any idea? Any idea? All right. Well, that ties us into today's video. We're working on these big old puppies, getting them painted and giving them a new look. Oh, it's happening. It's going.
I don't have a side sticker, so I need a side sticker.
That's it.
Right about you. Right about.
Just duct tape it. Yep.
It's a slap.
Boom. Oh, maybe for like extra performance, extra horsepower.
Right here.
just right in there. Maybe on your headlight for extra visibility. Maybe just over the Subaru logo. Maybe it'll run better. So the first step, what we're gonna go ahead and do is just disassemble these guys, take out the brake pads. I don't know if I'm gonna get too crazy with the masking, because I mean, I will in the spots that you're gonna see, obviously, but you know what I mean? Like, they're silver, it's not like they're red or like pink or yellow or something crazy where you have to make sure you hide everything. But we'll definitely do a good job, of course. You know what I mean? This is Calvin's Garage. We don't play no games around here. Also, just a quick reminder on the stickers, if you guys are a silver member Patreon, you get a free one. So if you guys did not know that already, coming at ya. Also, if you guys are not yet a Patreon, go ahead and sign up. Really helps out the channel. Appreciate the support. Let's get back to it. Alright, so we got one caliper pretty much, actually definitely sanded up. As you can see, pretty much what you want to do is just take off the sheen. So you see this one's nice and glossy. This one has no sheen to it. So that's good. Just a bit of Scotch-Brite, little red pad action, and you're good to go. You don't need to sandblast them. It'll be just fine. It has obviously a good like surface of paint on it already. So we'll just go ahead and scuff this one, clean them up, mask them up, hang them up, and we'll toss some paint on them. Look at this. A little bit of a detail action. If you guys are local, hit this man up. What's the Instagram?
Photo Guy Ryan.
Photo Guy Ryan. Any underscores or periods?
No.
One word. Hit him up.
Simple different.
Get your detail fix.
Hit me up.
No. How you living?
Hey, hit me up.
It's not.
Oh wait, can you come here?
I think our dudes will like this.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Whoa! Hey now! Woo! Got these all prepped up, and check out the detail. Check out the detail. We in here. We out here. Check this out. Even got the. Oh yes. Oh yes. What's going on over here? Doing some vacuum mods.
We're doing an intake to the shop vac.
Oh no. Okay.
Doing a quick cold air intake. Short ram. Stage 7 tune.
Wow. Time to mix up some paint here. Got our everything all cleaned up, prepped up. If you guys are wondering what we're working with here, if you missed me fixing my hood, we got some Nissan KH3 is the color code, super black. So we're OEM and factory around here. You know what I'm saying? So we'll give her a little stir ski and hutch. You know what I mean? There's that. Close her down. Put her some reducer in. There she be. We'll give her a little extra dash just for that goodness of flow. Alright, that's we got 3 coats on them now. Hopefully you guys can hear me. 3 coats. At first they were looking green. I was like, what is going on? But yeah, they're looking pretty good, gentlemen. So obviously we're gonna put clear coat on them as well. So this is just the first stage. Looking good so far. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, these are looking so good, dude. I was honestly, so here's what I was gonna do. Sorry, my hair's probably looking all crazy. But so my plan was initially to go with, as crazy as this now seems, like the same color red as my valve cover. I thought, you know, hey, it might be a good little contrast to kind of match with the taillights and the valve cover and stuff like that. Since we're doing the NISMO sticker thing on the brake calipers, those are, if you guys are wondering, those are CTSV Brembos. They're legit Brembos. They're super, super cheap. If you guys missed my video on it, I think the whole front swap was like 500 bucks, including calipers, brand new. So definitely go check out that video, and I'm so stoked on how that came out, man. Really happy I went with black. Looks so good. We're gonna let them dry out for about an hour or so, let them cure up. It's like 12:45 right now. So we'll probably start painting them with, well, clearing them around 1:30. And then, well, once they dry, we'll put our stickers on. Can't forget about that. And we're gonna clear coat over the stickers. So it's gonna look, they're gonna look real good. All right, you guys ready for this? You guys ready? Boom. All right, yes, they look fantastic. However, we're not done. No clear coat on them yet. I didn't put the stickers on camera because I didn't feel the need to have the pressure to get them where I wanted them. I think I got them in a pretty good spot though. So now it's pretty late. It's 2:30 23. I just cleaned up my gun and such, so let's go ahead, let's hang these suckers up, and let's toss some clear coat on these things tonight. Let's get it done. All right, guys, first coat of clear, little tack coat. Let's get her shiny. Alright, so we're done. These things look so good. I would take my mask off, but it's just real fumey in here. I got the exhaust fan on, but it takes a little bit of time for it to get all out of here, so I'm sorry about this. Sounded like Bale over here. The calipers are done. I don't know if that was good or not. I think that was pretty crap, but it's late, guys. It's like 3 a.m. right now. I don't even know how I'm still functioning. I didn't get much sleep last night. But the daily video grind is starting, so we out here, you know what I mean? We out here. I'm going home. I actually gotta stop at the grocery store, but I'm gonna show you guys right quick what these look like. Dude, so good. Check them out. Oh yeah. Yeah. We'll get a really good look at them tomorrow, so make sure you guys tune in, but I'll catch back up with you and we'll close this video out in the car. So today was a pretty good day. Obviously we started off the day, again guys, go ahead, grab yourself a sticker. Hope you guys can see me okay. KG sticker, man, this would be awesome if you guys could help support the channel out. $6 shipped worldwide. Sorry, if I look tired, that's probably because I am. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? 3:17. So yes, but I really just wanted to get them painted, get them done. They look so good. We'll see what they look like completely tomorrow. We can hold them and kind of get a better look at them. But also I gotta give a huge shout out to Emad. Hopefully I pronounced your name right, my dude. He helped out with the sticker design. Killer dude. It really turned out really good. And also just a quick little side note for all you guys saying that like I copied Tommy F. Yeah. Well, first off, I don't watch his content to know that he had a sticker like this, so I thought it was just personally a cool idea. And to be honest, if he has a patent on the design, you know, fine, I'll take this down, but I'm sure he doesn't own this design, guys. We're probably not the only ones either, so just a little kind of disclaimer there. Don't worry. It's all good. So yeah, guys, make sure you check out all the links in the description. Packed full of people to follow, guys. Greg, obviously, Ross at RT Design and Fabrication does awesome fab work. You saw he was working on a crazy like race car frame. He does awesome work. So yeah, but that's gonna be it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these. Hopefully you are gonna be enjoying these daily uploads here, daily vidges. Oh, little chips ahoy. But yeah, I'm gonna close out. Memory card's almost full. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good night. Later.